Hi, Jeff and
Ryan.
at the new Janky Workshop.
Yes. And today we've got this hammer that Jeff found somewhere. Don't know what this is all about.
Show it.
It's it's actually kind of cool, right? It's all mushroomed out brass, but
A little janky.
it's janky. So we're gonna try to fix it.
Yeah.
Make it work.
Yes, and we like to keep both the top and the bottom on
Yeah.
because it's gorgeous and it needs to be the way it is, but also be better. So
Much better.
we're gonna do that now.
All right. Step one is this thing. This thing is like. Yes.
That has been there a while.
All right. Do you have a
Chisel? So I don't cut myself like you.
Can we? Yep. I want that to be.
Smaller?
No, I want it to be. Yeah, I want it to be a little bit smaller.
You know how we can make it smaller?
Turn it off.
Yeah.
I want it to be a little bit smaller, but I also want it to be like so it looks age appropriate.
I don't have any blackener on me presently.
You have here. You have the ability to come over here for a minute.
Hold on.
This is probably better, do everything to quench it.
Hold on. Would you like some quenching fluid? Hold on.
Need to be quenched. Just needs.
Hold on.
Spritzer.
Oh, you just want it cold?
Just spritzer.
Cold
yeah.
water.
Yeah.
There you go. That's a little better.
But more size appropriate. Oh, dude, the brass cracked.
The brass cracked? Oh, shnikes. We can braise it.
You know what? Even better than braising it. Hold on. Look at that.
Huh. We can still braise it.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right.
That's brass on brass.
Wait. So maybe.
Probably
This way?
on the side you want to do it.
Right. Kind of like that.
Yeah.
Wow. That was unexpected.
Like, let me, hold on.
I didn't think we were splitting it out that much.
You can see that there. There's a huge crack in that brass now. So, we're going to try braising it.
Because
Why
we're
not?
being janky.
Yeah.
All right, hold
That's
up.
what we do here.
All right.
Mappy gassy?
No idea how to do this, do you?
I don't think braising's gonna work, actually.
Too big to heat up.
I don't know. We put that thing is super fucking hot. It's still steaming.
Yeah, but it's too big to heat up enough to.
Get the surface area hot enough where it could like it's not like 3/16 rod.
Right. All right, we're not boiling water anymore.
Yeah.
Is that what you call an epic fail?
Yeah. We tried something,
Yeah, we did.
and we learned that this did not work.
Whoa! No, careful! You're being burning.
Yeah.
Oh, that's hot.
We learned that. Ow! Yeah, the wood is super hot up
Yeah.
toward the top. Yeah. So we learned that that's not gonna work.
I think now
Just kind of hit it.
brittle.
It's got to be at least like 100 years old.
100? Oh, we just ruined a timeless relic. Wait,
That's
You know
we
what?
did. It's actually better than it was.
actually, well,
It's on there. I think you gave it some new life, Cotton.
cool color. If nothing else.
Hit that little grinding wheel.
No, but I kind of like
The patina is really nice.
the color on it. Look, see? Yeah, we totally screwed it up, but look.
It's prettier now.
It's got the original nail marks still. Why am I on a wooden bench?
Huh?
I'm like using a wooden bench as an anvil.
Would you like an anvil? I have
No,
several.
I don't need an anvil. I think we should probably.
You should probably like keep it in camera at least.
We've wrecked this thing enough.
I know, but it doesn't move anymore. As much.
No, it doesn't move at all anymore.
Yeah, before that was like blah, 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 blah,
Yeah.
flanking around. So
Yeah.
put a new pin into it after grinding it down.
Put a massive crack.
Put a
in it.
massive crack in it.
Can you see the crack?
Kind of. You can see it better before. It's right
Well,
here.
I kind of
Right here.
it
Right
over a
there.
little
Yeah.
bit, yeah.
So it looks better than it did.
And worse at the same time.
But still functions as a hammer.
Maybe.
I think I can hit you over the head with it.
Yeah. That was without a doubt.
You want to nail? We're not going to hammer the braising rod. We're going to hammer the braising rod.
We fixed it.
The new Janky Workshop fixed 100.
Janky since 2021.
Yep. All right. So, what are we doing? Oh, hi. Jeff Orofsky and
Ryan Tacey.
at the new Janky Workshop. All right, cut. Hold on.
We have to get rid of this. Do we have all the stuff we need?
No, I don't think so.
We got those things. See, this is where we want to. What do we need for? I grabbed these, and I grabbed these,
Okay.
and I have this, and we have. Do we have a hammer?
We have that hammer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that won't work.
Well,
That'll do.
yeah.
You can do that. I also have a 3 pound.
No, I don't need it.
4
I
pound.
was thinking more like a ball peen that was.
Oh, I have a. You want a ball peen? I have like
Your
a.
ball
I have a
I
regulation.
know your ball peen is too big.
I have a regulation size ball peen right here. Regulation size.
Yeah, I know that's a little heavy for what I was thinking, but that's all right.
It's a pound.
That'll work. All right, ready?
Hold
Here.
on.